At LiteHawk, we love a challenge. That's why in 2009, we sat down with a clean sheet and planned out a new radio-controlled brand. With the support of our customers and partners, we have risen from a startup with one product to a complete toy brand with a selection of toys to explore. We strive to exceed your expectations in what a radio-controlled toy should be. LiteHawk, we value our community of customers, fans, and business partners. That's why we created a full-service technical and spare parts system. Our focus was creating a support system through videos and detailed descriptions to assist the user with repairs. Our core mission is to bring fun, high-performance toys to our customers that are exciting to use and easy to maintain. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the world of LiteHawk. Welcome to the LiteHawk Wheelers Monster Truck Competition. We're broadcasting live from Wheeler Stadium. Each truck must clear the obstacles and post the highest score. Let's meet the contestants. Henry's Hot Rod. This truck and its driver always push to their limits, blazing a trail to glory. The Hippie Hauler. From another dimension, you can count on the Hippie Hauler to come up with some crazy stunts. The Old Timer. Specializing in strength and durability, this truck is built like a tank. The Crush Bus. The Crush Bus is concerned with one thing only: crushing cars. It's time to begin the competition. Round one. Right out of the gate, the Hippie Hauler with an ingenious move. But the Old Timer knows how to stay in the game. Round two. Crush Bus looking to score an early lead, but Henry's Hot Rod comes out on top. Looks like the Crush Bus is foiled again. Final round. Two legendary trucks going head to head. This is a close one. You've seen it here first. Henry's Hot Rod is the new Wheelers champion. But who will win next time? It's up to you to find out. Welcome to the all-new Wheelers Monster Truck Series, brought to you by LiteHawk.